This apartment complex consists of one apartment building with a total of 12 units. There are 11 two-bedrooms and one-bedroom apartments. There is also 8 garage storage units on the property. A new roof has been added to the Carriage House, and the garages in 2023. 2 of the 12 HVAC units have been replaced by the seller. The current management has been making numerous updates to the apartment buildings, including vinyl plank floors, new appliances as needed, kitchen and bathroom upgrades as needed. For more information, contact Ken McGuire at 317-385-7415.